Did you know school produce lots of paper wastage? Instead of wasting it, we can recycle it into paper briquettes. Let me show you how something we call trash can be turned into energy.
The benefits of paper briquettes are cooking, heating, starting fires, reduces the need for charcoal, reduces the number of trees cut down, and it also protects the environment.
In conclusion, turning waste paper into briquettes is a simple yet powerful way to maintain sustainability. Let us take responsibility for our environment and turn waste into something valuable. Thank you.